Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up recurring buys of Bitcoin on Cash App. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to buy an X amount of Bitcoin every week so that you can dollar cost average in. How do you actually go ahead and do that using Bitcoin? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to open up our Cash App. Then on the bottom left hand corner, you want to click on the dollar sign. And then underneath Save and Invest, you want to click on your Bitcoin wallet. Next, scroll down, and then where it says Auto Invest, Set up Recurring Buys, you want to click on that, click on Continue. And then here is where you could actually set it to Auto Invest daily, weekly, or bi-weekly. We're just going to set it to weekly and then click on Next. And then from here, you're going to click on 10. At the very least, you need to invest $10, okay? And then click on Next. And then here, you're simply just going to follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your cash pin, and then go ahead and auto buy Bitcoin on a week-to-week basis. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and if you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below.